I started by trying to utilize this dead space here at the bottom of the board by making the tool holders for tools that would actually be hanging down below. That way I can try and conserve as much space on the rest of the board as possible for all the other tools. My bandsaw chose a great time to crap out on me, so I had to end up using my handsaw to cut the opening for the chisel holders. Most of the tool holders you'll see me make were made using a combination of scrap pine I had lying around and different size Forstner bits. For the little clamp rack up here and the rack to hold the hammers, I just drilled some holes at a slight angle and put some dowel rod, different size dowels, to hold them in place. The one most common tool holder on the board is these small little blocks here that I made just using some scrap 2x6, and I cut a little notch in the top so it's got this little ledge on the front to prevent the tools from sliding off. This simple little holder here was made just cutting saw curves in the end of the scrap piece of wood. An old picture frame clip works great to hold my razor knife on the side of my little pencil holder here. For this handsaw holder, I just traced the shape of the handle and cut out the shape. I placed nails and small hooks in different spots on the board for things that I could just leave in the factory package. For the coping saw, I cut a groove down the center and cut it to the shape of the inside of the saw itself. I made these little clips to hold my tape measures out of some old Christmas cookie cutters. Shh, don't tell my wife. So I've got just a few empty spaces left on the board, and it's mainly just because I wasn't sure what else I wanted to put up there yet. And I don't want to put stuff up here just for the sake of putting stuff up here. I want to make sure that it's stuff that I actually use, so in the future if I decide that I want something up here, I still have space on the wall. I really think I'm going to enjoy this. It's nice to have everything sort of in its own place, and you know if it's missing, to put it back on the wall, or at least that's the hope anyways. And I really like the power tool cubbies up top. It's nice to have everything up there instead of in a drawer put away somewhere that you have to dig out every time you want to use it. Again, I would like to thank John Heisz for letting me use his awesome design. I really appreciate it. A big thanks to all my subscribers out there. You guys are awesome. I really appreciate all the positive feedback every week. The shirts are now available for sale on our website if you guys would like one. We would really appreciate it. All the proceeds go to help support the show and the projects and tools and everything here. That's pretty much all I got for this week, guys. Happy trails. Thanks for watching.